Triad Automation is a full-service industrial controls distributor.
Triad Automation is a full-service
industrial controls distributor.
Triad Automation is a full-service industrial controls distributor.
We focus on manufacturing automation.
We are committed to providing our customers with quality products from industry-leading manufacturers
at a low price and outstanding service.
Not only do we provide our customers with the parts they need to stay up and running,
we provide our customers with technical services including application assistance,
system engineering, field service,
and panel building.
For our customers that find themselves in an emergency, we provide 24/7 emergency parts and services.
We truly are your one-stop shop for factory automation.
We work with customers in a wide variety of industries such as
automotive,
paper, pharmaceuticals,
power,
film and textiles.
What sets us apart?
What sets us apart from others is that we are truly a technical distributor.
We are a technical distributor.
What sets us apart is we are truly a technical distributor.
Our entire team is factory trained on the products that we sell to provide the customer the support that they deserve.
We don't just stop at selling parts to our customers. We are consistently by their side,
helping our customers with all of their automation needs.